Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Government has floated the concept of undertaking channel deepening and maintenance work at major port trust through the public-private partnership PPP mode. A PPP model may be worked out for dredging projects with the hybrid model of combining the capital dredging with maintenance dredging for 10 to 20 years according to the draft dredging guidelines for major port trust prepared by the Ministry of Port and Shipping and Waterways. The revenue share between the major ports and PPP operators may be bidding parameters for floating the PPP projects. The existing PPP operators of the berth may share appropriate cost based on the volume of cargo handled along with the berth operated by the major ports themselves, says the draft prepared by the ministry and circulated for the public consultation. The ministry has emphasized the need to increase the depth by 2 to 3 meters to 17 meters to handle high capacity container vessels. The increased depth translates into reduction in transportation costs due to economics of scale as the cargo movement is shifted for Panamax to Capesize vessels for bulk cargo handling. Given the highest capital expenditure required for channel deepening work, the major ports may adopt the PPP mode for funding from the private agencies with support from the major ports. Significant capital raising is required at major ports in 3 to 5 years to handle the anticipated container vessels of 20,000 TEUs capacity and bulk cargo carrying Cape-size vessels. The PPP model emerges as a potential option with limited investments from the major ports, said the ministry. Adopting the PPP model for capital dredging will ensure the dredging is taken up as a service requirement for ports and minimal operation burden with the port authority. The dredging industry is spectacle of the plan. Triple P in dredging will be very difficult, says a dredging industry executive. Dredging is full of uncertainties. PPP is good for projects where certainty is set. The complex traffic structure to be developed by the major ports for different berth operators with a different category of cargo is a key risk. As per the plan, the revenue for the PPP dredging operator will depend on the increased traffic and linking it to traffic will bring in more uncertainty. A dredging contractor will put his money today and carry out the work, but he is not sure how what he will be paid. Suppose the contractor is for 20 years and for the first 10 years there is no returns. What will he do if there is no incremental traffic coming? He explained. Stipulating measurable performance indicators including assurance depth during the period of construction and adequate financial returns as per the financial viability structure also posed risk to the PPP model. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.